this? Yeah.
Flower?
Say flower. How cute is she? Say papa.
Huh?
So on to the next video. It's another midweek treat thing. It's same place actually as the Red Dump trailer, but this actually happened before the Red Dump trailer. Sorry about the, you know, portrait, but it's still pretty cool to see.
Huh?
Later. 8-inch boards and 4-inch boards. Got that hole. Need to fix them ramps so we can drive that up on it. Some gussets on there like I did this one. Put some wood in here. Fix the holes. 1 3/8. Just mainly those ramps. All right, so let's see how this goes. I'm gonna fix this. The lights. I haven't plugged them in yet. That one. Gotta get these ramps later. Probably pop them off and take them home. Gotta get all these lights fixed. All right. Let me get them plugged in. We'll see what we got. Find my own power. And looks like we're good to go. These are just the marker lights. I haven't tested to see if they blink. That's an ABS light there, so it's good. Check this out. I'm gonna have to do something about this area right here. Those are on. They're all on. That is a plus. We gotta fix this too. Hammer and torch time. Okay, I'm gonna try to flip this. Let's see. All right, I'm trying to fix all of that with all that. That's pretty big, by the way, in case you're wondering. All right. Couldn't get that top lip without my torch, but I can get the lights in. They're pretty flush. New tagline I gotta come up with, and I gotta figure out what to do with that plate bracket. All right. That's where we're at now. Had to cut the tag, fit the light. And all nice now. Except for those. Next week. All right, let's try this again. I'm back. This time, I'm gonna work on this. A little anyway, so you can get that on there. See what happens. Well, let's do it. Let me drag some stuff out. I'll show you where I'm at. Well, I'm thinking I'm gonna take this torch and cut these bars off, these top bars here, so if I get rid of these, I'll be able to put the wood down. I won't have to section it because they're bent. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut them here, like these, And then that way when I put a piece of channel, I think I'm gonna go 3-inch channel from here across the wood to here, and that'll help hold it, and I'll weld it in really good. And it'll be like this. That way I'll have something stronger, this kind of stuff. Right here, put here. No tripod, so I will let you see my progress. All right, here we go. Got all the bars burned off. Okay. Now I can fill this. I burned all these screws off too. I'm gonna fill this up with some wood. I gotta go buy some. Screw some wood down and then weld some track on there. All right, so I got this done. Where's the flipper? There you go.
Can we cut off? That's not going to convince anyone. Coke Zero is now Coke Zero Sugar.
Now what I want to do, instead of put these back on,
None of this noise is going to
I want to put this on here
great Coke.
and use these to like help support it. I'm gonna clean this out, weld that there and there and here, and then I'll have these across here. And I could probably maybe bolt a couple so that the center don't get pulled out by that. When it peels out on it, all these got bent. Maybe that won't. I need to get that across all the way. 1, 2, 3. This one here I'll put on the very bottom, protect the wood, like this. That way it'll climb up on that and not the wood. We'll see. I'll have to get more parts. This will be the last video of this. There's the one at the bottom, protect the wood, hopefully. I need to put a few more in here, like 3 more. Then I got those. I also built a box up here on that bent piece so that it don't crush down when the excavator goes over top here. Because it'll probably come up, pop a wheelie, and then tip over and go on. Box that all in. Hopefully it'll hold up. I'm not gonna take another video, but I gotta put 3 or 4 more in here of these, which is pretty self-explanatory. I'll get weld them in and then paint them black like the rest of this stuff. It should be done. We got this one here. I have to weld some gussets in here too, like I did the other one. Nice. Oh, that's it. I think the track should stay off the wood. And that ramp I'll use oak. See how this works.